God, there was an accident right in front of my eyes.
Daijoubu desu ka?